Maggie, what did you find? What is? So what is? Is that your Santa?
Yeah, when I was a baby.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Look at that tree over there with the ribbon tree.
Are we putting up the Christmas tree? It's a big Christmas tree.
Look at that.
Oh, did you find the blanket?
Yeah.
Maggie is in like Christmas heaven right now.
I love Christmas. I love Christmas.
What happened on Christmas? Give him a kiss.